Hostas are some of nature's most remarkable perennials. They come in a tremendous variety of sizes, miniature to huge and everything in between, colors, greens, blues, yellows, variegated, textures. Some leaves are flat, others wavy, and leaf shapes. Hostas lend themselves beautifully to landscape design. Here are some tips on making your garden more attractive by integrating and placing hosta. Hostas are suited for virtually every growing zone. Though touted as shade-loving, some hostas tolerate light sun. Given their varied features, there is a hosta for every need and taste. First, identify areas you want to beautify with hosta. Plant selection will be partly driven by space allotment and shade density of these areas. Some ideas of what you can do are to create a tropical oasis. Oversized hosta leaves evoke a sense of lush, faraway lands. Line a path with hostas for visual allure. Spice up container gardens. Plant hosta as a ground cover under trees or in a garden bed. Combine different hosta varieties, variegated and non, for example, or group with other shade-loving plants. Then have some fun making hosta choices. A visit to a local nursery for ideas is a good start. Once you've found plants for consideration, online nurseries give you additional sources for hard-to-find varieties. One helpful source for getting started is the Plant Addicts link below. If you have any experience at all with hosta, you know that deer love them. There is a solution, and that's Bobbex deer repellent. The key is to coat the plants with eco-friendly Bobbex deer repellent as soon as the plants go into the soil. Follow up with applications as new growth emerges to help ensure deer don't dine on your lovely hostas. What's more, it really works. It's been rated #1 in an independent test of 10 leading deer repellents. Enjoy your beautiful hosta all summer long and for seasons to come. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.